Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by powering off and isolating the device so you don't cause shorts. Next, grab a multimeter, contact cleaner, a small screwdriver, and a known good 3/5 mm cable. Inspect the jack with a flashlight, look for lint, debris, or bent contacts that block insertion. Once done, try a known good headset and wiggle gently while listening for intermittent audio. That quick test tells you whether the problem is debris, a bad plug, or an internal connection issue. Now focus on cleaning and internal inspection. Blow compressed air into the jack, then apply a small amount of contact cleaner. Insert and rotate a clean plug to dislodge grime. If the issue persists, open the casing carefully and locate the jack housing. Inspect solder joints for cracks and the mechanical switch that detects insertion. Use your multimeter to perform continuity checks across terminals while you insert a plug. That confirms whether signals pass through to the board. Finish by repairing or replacing the jack. If solder joints looked cracked, reflow them with a soldering iron. If the jack is physically damaged, desolder and install an identical replacement. Once the new or repaired part is in place, reassemble and power on. Test with several headsets and audio apps to confirm consistent sound and mic function. If problems remain, consider the audio codec IC or motherboard traces. As a workaround, use a USB or Bluetooth audio adapter. If you hit trouble, recheck continuity and solder.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.